If you can put these simple ingredients inside of your slow cooker, this delicious meal will be waiting for you when you need it. Here I have some washed potatoes that I've washed and peeled, and I'm going to place inside of my slow cooker. I also have a finely chopped onion that is gonna go in here as well. I've got some cubed ham steak that in the slow cooker they go to. I'm gonna be using some vegetable broth in this recipe, but you can use whatever type of broth that you have around. Next, I'm going to add some half and half as well. And finally, a bit of ground pepper. Let's cover this and cook it on low for about 6 hours. That was easy, right? I'm going to ladle some of the soup into a bowl and then top it with shredded cheese, chopped bacon, green onions, and chives. I mean, basically everything I like on my baked potato right in a bowl. Let's give this a try. For the recipe and measurements, check the description box right below this video. And if you enjoyed this video and want more, subscribe to this channel. I'd love to send you a new video every single week. See you next time.